Hi, my name is Tony and I'm here to explain more about why fence posts rot and how to prevent it. Now, groundline decay is the biggest cause of premature fence post failure, and the decay is caused by a combination of three factors being present in the first 6 inches of the soil, and that is oxygen, fungi and moisture. These three factors enter the wood and rot your post, causing you hassle, stress and expensive replacement costs. Now, deeper in the ground there isn't enough oxygen, so our fungi cannot survive. Postsaver is a proven high-performance barrier sleeve with over 20 years of independent test data conducted by the BRE, Europe's largest timber test organisation. Our sleeves are guaranteed to prevent rot for 20 years. By using this specially designed dual-layer barrier system, our sleeves create a complete air and watertight seal around the surface of the post, locking in those preservatives. Our special bituminous inner liner actually penetrates into the wood surface during application to create this seal. Postsaver's patented dual-layer system then locks out all those factors required for decay, and they are oxygen, fungi and moisture, meaning that rot cannot occur. Now we're going to look at how effective the Postsaver Groundline barrier sleeve is compared to a partial barrier system and a standard post. As we can see, this post is now saturated with moisture, oxygen and fungi, guaranteeing decay. Now, over time the wood preservative will leach out of this post, leaving the post susceptible to rot and decay. Partial barrier systems such as plastic bags, tape and flash bands will trap moisture between the barrier and the surface of the post, as there's no true air and watertight seal that's been made. Now, products that you paint on or dip will offer no protection when that post starts to split and crack. The moisture that's been trapped in this post will only accelerate the decay. Compared to our partial barrier systems, we can see how the Groundline barrier sleeve has formed an air and watertight seal around the surface of the post, locking out our moisture and locking in that wood preservative. Now, moisture that enters in through the bottom of the post, capillary action isn't strong enough to carry that water to our critical 6 inches below ground. That, combined with locking out our fungi and our oxygen, means that this post is protected against ground rot. Any moisture that enters in through the top of the post will be quickly dried by the air and the sun. Sleeve posts can be installed in all the normal ways, including power driving, backfill or even concreting in place. In production since 1994, the Postsaver sleeve is a guaranteed way to protect your post and your investment. Our no-quibble 20-year guarantee will cover the cost of replacement sleeve and post in the event of a failure. And with our 20 years of independent test data, we know our product is proven to work and we guarantee that.